to Keeping Up with Stephanie, and let's just say Instagram is in the news, and let's just say Instagram, you know, we all know that Instagram released the Instagram TV. I did a story on this before, recently they added another new feature that you guys will already love, Instagram Music. Let's just say you open your Instagram stories and you can add an artist like, I don't know, Ed Sheeran, for example. Ed Sheeran and you want to add like his song Perfect or The Shape of Us. Or if you want to add, I don't know, The Script, for example, and you want to add a video of you driving down the road, don't text and drive, just make sure you're in the passenger seat, okay? And you want to use The Script of The Four the first time. So I'm wondering how this is gonna play with copyright, because a lot of copyright music is because these bands are copyright. You know, I don't use any of these songs in my videos. I usually use Epic Sound as a music license to my YouTube channel because it's a music license hooked onto my YouTube channel, and I can just sign in my YouTube account and I'm done. You know, it's a music license where you have access to the song that you're looking for. And you have access to that. You have the download button, you pay for it, you're done. So I'm wondering how this is gonna play in with copyright music. When you upload copyright music onto Facebook, it takes down. Instagram is owned by Facebook, as you know, and I'm kind of wondering how this is gonna play in. Kind of wondering because it's all copyrighted. Any song out there that you put on Instagram or Facebook or whatever, it's copyright. You just have to know where you got this song from. If you got it from Epidemic Sound, that's fine, because Epidemic Sound is a music licensing site. I know Facebook has its own music library you could go to and you can download whatever they have there. And it's legal. So I'm kind of wondering about this. So let me know what your thoughts are on this one, with Instagram Music adding to its story feature. Let me know in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe for more videos like this, and follow me all over it at @SemiLive. And see ya, peace, bye, and subscribe.